This will be a very short clip about the topic how you can actually modify the theme your WordPress website actually uses. Therefore, you simply log in and then you have a selection here and you click on design. And what you actually want to do for this course is to have this theme active, so WordPress 2022. This is needed to actually select the editor, which will make it easier for you to adapt and make new changes which are responsive and very helpful for your website. What you should know is that it's actually bad for your web page if you have a lot of themes installed and are not using them. So we will delete every theme we have on this web page that we are not using and actually select a theme we want to use and activate it. When you click on a theme, you can activate it or preview it in a live preview or delete it. We want to do is actually deleting the themes. Now this theme is gone and we can repeat the process for every other theme we do not want to use. And if we would want to activate a theme, we simply have to select this button and click it. That's it. In the next video, I will show you how you can create your own specific header, modify it, and use it globally for every page you create.